Review. Thank you, beep. Okay. To me, ice buckets. 40-pound wieners for safety. If it's shiny apple watching, I like peeing, yeah. But what?